Happy Saturday, friends. I hope that you're doing well. It is GB here from Income Babes. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are back playing with our Build a Bank Savings Challenge. All right. And I have thoroughly been enjoying my Build a Bank Savings Challenge, guys. And I hope that you will enjoy it too. All right. So what are we working with today? We are working with 25 euros. So here's my cash here, my cash tray. So I'm working with 25 euros to put into this particular savings challenge. And I do like to play with prop notes. So I have 2 5s, that's 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 in ones. All right, so I have my cash all set up and ready to go. The real cash is going to go into my A6 binder, which is this green one right here. So I like to take the real cash and put it into here. So excuse these envelopes, they have been through everything. So I'm just going to tuck the real cash into here, and then I will play with the prop money, and the prop money will go into the individual tills that I have here. Okay. So I'm just going to rest that to the side. Now, with this savings challenge, it does come with cards. This is the A6 cards. This came with the A5 book. Does not come with cards, but it does have the customers to the back, guys. Okay. And I have gotten some feedback from a lot of you. Day in the Pet Life is in the link, the private link that I would have sent you. So if you've got the A5 of this savings challenge, I should have sent you a link by now. If I've not sent you the link, just send me a quick message. But there are some freebies in there, and Day in the Pet Life has been released, and you're simply going to rate each activity by the star, and each star is worth $1. Okay, so you should have this. You should have about 6 freebies now. So Hello Doctor, Rainy Day Fund, Chocolate Cravings, and Camp and Trip. Yeah, and I'm going to create cards for these as well. I've also been asked to create cards to send you to the customers here. You want your own cards for A5. And I've also been asked to create cards to also kind of add a little bit of spice, add a little bit of spicy. So I've taken all that. I've written everything down, and I am going to be working on adding some different cards, like unfortunately new bill, unexpected bill or something. Put the money into banking or into, like we have these other departments to the back here. Debt department, emergency department, month ahead department. So I want to implement those inside there. And don't forget, you have some freebies as well. Like, I don't want you to feel like you still have this freebie that I gave you the last time. And for those of you that got in when it was a freebie, and then you have the Plinko one, and then there's also that one there as well. Okay, so there's lots happening there. All right, let's get into the savings challenge today, guys. Let's go ahead and shuffle the cards, and let's see how much cash we're going to be saving today with our Build a Bank Savings Challenge, guys. All right, give these cards a nice little shuffle. There we go. And we'll just pick from the back and make our way. Now I'm working with a small amount, so I'm not going to roll the die and see like how much icons. I'm just going to do one icon for whichever card that I do get. All right, first card is going to be Happy Customer. All right, let me just get my marker. And I think this month's marker is going to be pink. So it's going to be a little bit different because April we're focusing on all the pinks. So I'm just going to put a little pink X right there. So for this one, we need to add $1. So here's my $1, and the next category is going to be number 2, till number 2. So let's go ahead and go to till number 2, which is right here, and we're going to go ahead and put the cash inside here. All right, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This card is now done. Moving to the next card. Oh, this one is completed. So that's done. Moving to the next card. We're just going to go until the cash runs out. So this one is going to be till number 5. And the amount for till number 5 is going to be $5 for each icon. So today we get to take off another icon. Yay. All right. Let's go ahead and write 5 on there. And then we're going to get our marker. I'm going to take off another icon off of here. So that one is now done. Let's go ahead and get the $5. And so this is going to be till number 5. So we're going to put the cash into this cash envelope. Okay, that's now done. So this card is nearly completed. All right, moving on to the next card. Oh, yay, till number 2, and we finally get to complete another card. So we get to take off an icon off of till number 2. So we get to put the cash directly into the till. So for this one, I'm going to need $2. So that's 1, and that's 2. And I get to write on here 2. Just like so. All right, and that one is now completed. Let me go ahead and mark off the icon. And now we can go to our till number 2 and add $2 more into this cash envelope. All right. Our tills are building back up once more again. Moving right along to the next card. Okay, wow, we have an angry customer, and the only icon that's left on here is going to be the one for bank charges. So we're going to go to till number 6. Here we are. And we're just going to be putting $3 into this till, so we don't actually get to take off one of these, okay? So let's go ahead and do 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So this is a bonus savings challenge, okay? I'm going to mark this off because this one is now completed. Just like so. And this one is now done, so we can put this away. And this is just a bonus, so we don't get to mark off an icon, but we do get to add additional cash into this cash envelope. Oops. Now, why did I put the cash inside here? This is till number 6. So that's the $3 for that angry customer, okay? Now, where is my bonus cash envelope for? Oh, it's this one. My bad. Let's go to the back there. All right, just like so. Now, what I want to also do is angry customer. I want to go to my angry customer to the back here. Oh, here we are. There we go. So you can roll a die or you can assign an amount for each icon. And so what I want to do is when I'm choosing one of these customers, I shouldn't have put the cards away. Did we have a happy customer? Yes, see the pink there. So what I want to do is when I'm choosing these bonus, when I'm choosing these customers, I want to actually play that savings challenge as well. This is a very low income friendly savings challenge as well. So like I want it to be manageable. So I'm going to make all of my icons $1, guys. Okay. So we ended up having one happy customer and one angry customer. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to save that amount for my customer as well. So I'm going to write on my sheet here, assign an amount. I'm just going to write $1 for my angry customer because I picked this card. So when I get this card again, I will know that I no longer need to go to the till. I'm now going to go to the angry customer, okay? Because if you're playing with the cards, you're like, my cards are finished, what do I do now? You can use these cards to also go to these sections in the back here. But I know you've asked me to create cards specifically for the A5 edition, and I will be working on that. Now, I'm just going to grab myself a marker so that I can mark this off. And I'm going to use a watercolor marker. So it's this one here. And we're just going to go ahead and put a little X over there. I like to use the watercolor marker on paper, and I like to use the alcohol marker on laminated ones, okay? So I just wanted to kind of share that with you. All right, so that's my angry customer done. And I'm going to get the dollar. This is the dollar for this one. I will just find a bonus envelope to put this cash in, okay? Now let me look for my happy customer. And we're going to make that $1 as well. So here's my happy customer here. So I'm just going to write on here that $1 is being saved for this customer, just so that I use some of the challenges to the back here. All right, and we're keeping it low income friendly. All right, so this one is now done, and let me just grab an extra dollar for that. So these are 2 bonus dollars. Now I need to figure out where all of this money is going to go. So what I will do is I will, because you just don't know which till to go to for this. Yeah, because this is just, oh, maybe I could put it into a department. Emergency, month ahead, investments, pay yourself, retirement. What I'm gonna do for the minute is just gonna put it right here. All my bonus, my customers, I'm gonna put it right there for the minute. And we'll figure out a new method for these bonus ones. Okay, now let's move on over to the next card. Next card is going to be another happy customer, and the next icon on this one is going to be till number 4. So I'm gonna grab my alcohol marker and we're gonna put an X over this one. And it is just $1. So this is bonus cash. But before we put this card away, we're gonna find the happy customer. All right, so that's till number 4. Here is till number 4. So we have our first deposit. So that's now done. And we're also going to make a deposit into this envelope for our happy customer. So let's look for this particular happy customer. All right, so it's not that one. Let's see where our happy customer is. Oh, it's a color and save. Oh my goodness, yay. I love color and saves. I'm going to make my carrot pink because that's the color of the month. So we're going to keep this very simple. Oh, I love it. I love it. So let me just put 0 there. I feel like I still need a green part for that part there. All right, let me just get my dollar and make that deposit into is an extra. Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, there we go. So that one has been deposited for my happy customer. So this card is now done. So I can put this inside there. And I'm just going to grab my marker. My watercolor marker, guys, highly recommend. This is the Ohuhu dual tip coloring markers, okay? And we're just going to go ahead and take our time. Oh, look at my beautiful carrot. Oh, I love it, guys. I love it. Oh, that is a beautiful, delicious pink carrot, guys. And I think what I'm going to do for the colors at the top here is the color scheme for this month. These are my markers of the month. Every month I like to choose like a specific color scheme. So I think I'm going to use the miles liner. No. Because mild liners work better on a specific kind of paper. So I actually have this gray one here. I feel like I need green. So I am just gonna grab. All right, let's use the mild liner. Let's see how this one turns out. Let's see. Watercolor marker would have worked a little bit better, but this is not bad. It's giving pastel vibes. It's giving boho chic vibes. Yes, that's actually pretty nice. I like that. All right, so there you have it. So my color and save is now done and we made the deposit. Okay, guys, I'm getting a little bit too carried away. Okay, moving on to my next card, guys. It's going to be till numero 4. We actually get to go to the till, and all of the amounts in till number 4 are for $4. So we are going to write on here that it is for $4. Let's go ahead and collect. Actually, do we have any small change in till number 4? We could probably put in, yes, we do. So we could put in a 5 and take this one back out. That's my last 5 there. So that is now deposited. This card is now done, and let's be sure to mark it off of our little section right here. So I'm going to grab my watercolor marker, and we're just going to put a little X right over that one. Okay, so that's now done. Let's see how the cash is looking. We're down to our last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're down to our last $6. So maybe we can squeeze in 1 or 2 cards. Nope, we cannot. This is going to be our final card because we're going to buying charges, and buying charges is worth a whopping $6, guys. Okay, so it worked out. No IOU was needed today. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so that's done, and now we can go ahead and mark this off of our list right here, and this can go back into my deck. So this one is now done. We can close this up, move this to the side. And then the last $6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's swap that out for a 5. And then the last $6 is going to go into our A6 binder. And that's going to be the final deposit that we make for our customers today. A6 buying charges. So that goes inside there. So that is how our tills are looking today, guys. Okay. We got some bonus cash from the customers. And nothing until number 1, a small deposit until number 2, till number 3 is still empty, a small deposit until number 4, another deposit until number 5, and buying charges I think got the most today. So that is going to be it for our A6 binder. So that is going to be it for our Build a Bank No IOUs, a productive day with our customers as well. All right, that's going to be it for today's videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.